The Rich and Famous, a glimpse into their lives. Introduction. Have you ever wondered what life is like for the rich and famous? From glamorous movie stars to successful business tycoons, these individuals live lives that are often seen as exciting and luxurious. In this video, we will explore the world of the rich and famous, looking at their lifestyles, challenges, and the impact they have on society. The lifestyle of the rich and famous. The rich and famous are known for their extravagant lifestyles. They often own large homes, sometimes even more than one, in various parts of the world. These houses are usually equipped with the latest technology, beautiful furniture, and often have features like swimming pools, home cinemas, and gyms. In addition to luxurious homes, many rich and famous people enjoy traveling in style. They might use private jets or yachts to travel to exotic destinations for holidays. When it comes to fashion, they often wear clothes designed by famous designers and attend high-profile events like movie premieres, award shows, and exclusive parties. Their careers. The careers of the rich and famous can be diverse. Many are successful actors, musicians, or sports stars. These careers often require a lot of talent, hard work, and a bit of luck. Others might be entrepreneurs who have built successful businesses, investing in new ideas and innovations. Regardless of their field, the rich and famous often have a significant influence in their industries. They can set trends, inspire others, and make substantial contributions to the arts, sports, or business world. Challenges they face. Despite their wealth and fame, the rich and famous face their own set of challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of privacy. Their lives are often in the public eye, with paparazzi and fans following their every move. This can make it difficult for them to enjoy normal, everyday activities without being recognized or disturbed. Another challenge is the pressure to maintain their success and image. This can lead to stress and, in some cases, issues with mental health. Additionally, they have to be cautious about who they trust, as some people might want to befriend them for their fame and money rather than genuine friendship. Their impact on society. The rich and famous often have a significant impact on society. Many use their wealth and influence to support charitable causes, raise awareness about important issues, and help those in need. For example, some might donate money to schools, hospitals, or environmental causes. Others use their fame to speak out on social or political issues, inspiring their fans to do the same. However, the lifestyles of the rich and famous can also create unrealistic standards for success and happiness. This can lead to people feeling inadequate or unsatisfied with their own lives, as they compare themselves to the glamour and success they see in the media. Conclusion. The lives of the rich and famous can seem like a dream, filled with luxury, success, and glamour. However, like everyone else, they face challenges and responsibilities. Their influence on society is significant, both in positive and negative ways. By understanding more about their lives, we can appreciate the human side of fame and wealth and recognize the real people behind the public image.